found new lights, catching clouds, living dreams. My life's now more than it seems. Family smile, endless gleam. Clouds my song, won't let it stream. Shifting gears, sky so high. Day flows like birds we fly. Diagrams in code, my heartbeat. Understanding the cloud can't be beat. Family trips, moments pure. Thanks to the cloud, life is secure. Seaside mornings, mountain calls, gave it all and broke all walls. Catching clouds, living dreams. My life's now more than it seems. Family small, endless gleam.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just reselect my microphone. Okay, can you guys hear me better now?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
Yeah.
better.
we do.
Yes. Okay, fantastic. How are you all?
All right, all right, all right.
Sorry about the delay, guys. I had so much going on. I got caught up in a meeting, and then I was also working on a ticket, and I was going back and forth. So I do apologize for the delay, but finally we made it, and the session is being recorded. Sama,
Great.
can I make you the host in case someone is talking and they need to be muted or someone joins so you can allow them to enter? Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Most
Bear with me
welcome.
a second. Okay, just bear with me a second. Is my screen shared, the presentation one?
Not right now, no.
No.
Okay.
I see a picture with a nice t-shirt or sweatshirt.
Cloud Whistler.
I want one.
Okay, you should be the host now, Sana.
Okay.
Cute. Okay, fantastic. So can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can right now.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
Great stuff. Thank you so much. So thank you everyone. Thank you for attending. So we have some great and exciting news. We've been talking about this news for a long time. And finally, today I will be sharing this news with you guys. So as you all can see on the first slide, it says launching limited cloud and DevOps internships. So when it says limited, it's open for a short period of time. So the people who apply it for faster than when it officially launches, you people will have, more chances to actually get this internship. And let me move on to the next slide so I can share some more information. So we have a great team of admins from all over the world, and some of them work for big tech giants. Most of them work for MNCs, and some work for big finance companies like KPMG and some big construction companies, PwC, and some big technology companies like Accenture. And some people also work in the banks, in the community, who are admins, and some people are actually on call right now, I believe. So my name is Ali. I will share more details about myself in the next slide. But Yvonne is here. Yvonne, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Yes. I've been in tech support for many years. My forte is software application, server management, desktop support. My background actually is in biology. I started off as a chemist and I didn't like it after a while, and I decided that wasn't my career. And I went from the sciences to the technology. Um, so I guess my big forte is my experiences. I would say company acquisition, mentorship, and getting people on board, and of course a heavy troubleshooter. So tech support is my role or title, but moving into cloud engineer, and basically I've done so many things under the same title. So if you look at my resume, you'll see, acquisition, you'll see trainer, you'll see support staff, engineer. So I've done a lot in my career.
So awesome. I can already tell that you're a rock star because, if someone wants to be successful in their IT career, having these skills, what you just mentioned, Yvonne, is so critical and so important. Like people who are not aware in the IT industry, they only think that skills are more important. But actually, if you really want to be successful, then communication and soft skills and having the right work ethic is a big, big, major thing. So thank you for sharing that, Yvonne. Is there any other admins currently online who would like to introduce themselves? Let me see who's on the list. Daniel, are you here? Okay, I don't think he's here. Sana, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, Ali. I think other admins are not available right now at the moment. So I start myself. So I am solutions engineer in an IT firm, and currently I'm working on Genesis software and its implementation on various servers, working on various environments. Like Genesis is basically contact center software and omni-channel customer experience and contact center solutions providing to its customers. And this is how I started my career in IT, as I did my diplomas in cloud cybersecurity and computer information systems as well. So this is my short intro. Thank you very much.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you, Sana. Thank you so much. Oh, Daniel is here as well. Hey, Daniel, how are you? Daniel, I think he left the chat. Okay, Amir, would you like to introduce yourself and then we'll move on to the next slide?
Okay. I thought that there was only the admins that were gonna introduce themselves. Well, I'm Amir. I live in Canada. I work as chief marketing, uh, chief of digital marketing, sorry. I am passionate about the cloud and technology uh, in general, and I'm working toward my pivoting to the cloud and DevOps. I am aiming for the cloud engineer role, and I hope I'm gonna achieve this goal with the help of this awesome community.
Fantastic, Amir. Amir, I also noticed that you passed your AWS AI certification. So once again, congratulations for that.
Thank you. That was my second certification. The first one I had last year was the Solutions Architect Associate, and now I'm working toward the Developer Associate.
Okay, fantastic. That's fine.
Thanks.
Thank you, Amir. Thank you for your introduction. Is anyone brave enough to introduce their self in the session, or should we move on to the next slide? You can unmute yourself, and if you'd like to introduce yourself, please go ahead so we can learn about you as well.
Yes,
Yes,
hi. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, as per your respective location. My name is Abdullah Tahir. I've been working with the IT industry for the last 13 to 14 years, having background in Office 365, normally system administration, and now I'm working as a system administrator in the ERP solution for one of the logistic group in Oman. So that's my brief background. I am eager to learn Dockerization, containerization, Kubernetes, and just a newbie to the cloud computing and the DevOps platform. That's my brief introduction. Thank you.
It's awesome, Abdullah. Abdullah, you're not a newbie because you've been working on-prem. Literally, cloud is just another friendly interface, taking the same technology to application-based. So thank you for joining and thank you for coming. And I'm not sure if we are connected on a LinkedIn, Abdullah, but I would love to connect with you on LinkedIn as well. So is there anyone
Sure,
else
sure.
who is there
Yes, I
anyone?
can. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. My name is Saifullah Khan, and I'm from Mardan, KPK. And sir, I'm working with the IT industry since the last 6 years, and now I'm currently working in the cybersecurity and working with the Pakistan in the Asia largest FMCG group and leading the cloud side and cybersecurity sides. So we have done different projects like something migrations on 365 and Huawei Cloud and AWS and Azure. So all of these in my like specialty in this area.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Is there anyone else like to introduce themselves?
Hi, I am Zam. I am doing job as a front-end developer in a Saudi-based company, and I'm in IT since 2019, and I then AWS Cloud Practitioner certification last year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and thank you for coming, Zen. Does anyone else like to introduce themselves, or should we move on?
Hi Ali, my name is Hafiz Muhammad Rashid, and I'm working as a support engineer in Systems Limited, Pakistan. So right now I'm working on AWS certification and some Dockerization tools.
That's fantastic, Rashid. Thank you for coming. Thank you for taking time out. Is there anyone else like to introduce themselves?
Yes, my name is Hardik, and I'm a telecom engineering graduate, and I have done an internship on DevOps for 6 months, and also I hold a AWS Cloud, AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Hatib. Is there anyone else like to introduce themselves? Okay, fantastic. So we'll move on to the next slide. So today's agenda, guys. So today I will be sharing all the details you need for this internship. Yes, it is a remote-based internship. Yes, it is an international internship, and it is recognized and registered by law as well on the company sides. So number one, we will go through about Tech with Engineers. So who is Tech with Engineers? So basically, our community has partnered up with Tech with Engineers. So we are helping Tech with Engineers to be able to, hire internees. So we will be going through interview processes. So we will be interviewing individuals who do apply for the internship. And if you think you are the perfect candidate, we will then move you on to Tech with Engineers, where you will, start your training, etc. But I will go in detail with you on that. So number two, what will be included in the training? As you can see, Cloud and DevOps Specialist Training, RHCSA, and Extra Python Mastery. And number three, who is the training for? So the requirements and how to apply. And number four, we will be touching on question and answers in case anyone has any questions. Fantastic. So I am the founder of the Cloud Whistler community, but the Cloud Whistler community is now more of a movement as just an individual owner. So whoever is the member of Cloud Whistler community is actually also the owner of the Cloud Whistler community, because now it's a movement. Now we will be initiating, bigger projects like the Cloud in Air. We will be working on some business-based project. Sana, are you still the host?
Yes, Ali.
Okay, can you please mute whoever is talking?
Okay.
Thank you. So thank you for coming, guys. My name is Ali Sohail. I'm the founder and lead trainer. I have over 8+ experience in IT, and this is professionally, but non-professionally. I've been in IT for about 20 years. So I have been working as a IT engineer. Currently, I'm working as a senior infrastructure engineer, and I'm still working in the industry. I have extensive experience with private and public cloud environments. I've been working for MNCs. I've even worked for small companies, and I've worked for finance companies, construction companies. I've also worked for healthcare department, the UK National Healthcare Department. Currently, I work there. So I've been specialized in cloud migrations in the past. I've done automation using Ansible, Python, and infrastructure development. So I've been working very closely with the software and developers. So I myself have developed solutions like chatbots and automation tools, which I can share with you once we get to know each other more in the future. So I am passionate about training future cloud professionals and people who are new in the industry. And I like to empower learners, colleagues, and whoever I surround myself with. I like to exchange my energy and I like to learn from them as well. I have a proven record in leading large-scale projects and optimizing the digital workflows. So let's move on to the next slide. Hey, I can see Nilofer just joined. Hey, Nilofer, thank you for making it.
Thank you, Ali. I'm on the way home here, so I will not be available on camera. Sorry.
That's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. But I'm glad you did made it. So thank you for that. By the way, Nilofer is in Canada and she is a cloud engineer. So let's move on to the slide. So who is Tech with Engineer? So Tech with Engineers is a UK-based international operating tech startup. They're a brand new company and they provide digital solutions, and I will share more details on that. So they specialize in digital solutions from websites, mobile apps. They also do, digital marketing like graphics, business solutions, and all that sweet stuff what a business needs in order to take their business online. Tech with Engineers is a trusted cloud solution provider. So they are also providing cloud solutions. So that's why they're hiring people for cloud and DevOps. They help businesses scale from old days infrastructure to modern cloud technologies. Tech with Engineers' mission is to empower businesses to succeed online with cutting edge and tailor-made solutions and obviously cost-effective solutions. So Tech with Engineers focuses on making the digital transformation smooth, efficient, and innovative for companies of all sizes. They are committed to bringing every business online with the best possible technology solution. Okay, so let's say you have applied for the internship and you have been, successfully gone through the interview stage, gone through the application process, you've had your ID verifications done. So what will you be doing on the first month? The first month the onboarding team will be onboarding you. And what do I mean by that? They will connect with you on Zoom. They will give you access to your company email. They will tell you basically they will start your training and they will tell you what will happen in the first 2 weeks. So the first month you will be focusing on Linux and Bash scripting. And then you will be moving on to some AWS CLI fundamentals. You will then complete AWS project, 3-tier and auto scaling. And obviously you will be working with Git and GitHub basics. So this all will be integrated, your projects, etc. And in the second month, you will be working on Terraform and infrastructure as code. So you will be doing a bit CI/CD with Jenkins and GitLab. You will also be touching areas on Python scripting for automation. So you will have a manager, a team, and a team lead who will be, walking you through all this. So don't worry if I'm just reading it out, but the team lead will, work directly with you. Your team will be direct with you. So you will be able to, work in a friendly culture. And so Docker and Kubernetes fundamentals. And month 3, so once you've done month 2, you will be touching on AWS Lambda and serverless projects. Then you will be doing some advanced Docker and Kubernetes projects. And then again, you will be doing some hands-on projects with Terraform. And then obviously CI/CD and Python, all this combined. So you will be actually working on a real business project, which you will be, the testing team will be testing it, etc. You will be able to, master complex cloud deployments because you will be working part of a team. So you will be going through all that. So let's say you've done month 1, month 2, month 3, right? And you've successfully, put your effort, you've dedicated your hours, and you have successfully, completed your internship. So month 4, your leadership training will start, your communication training will start, and you will be guaranteed an interview for a full-time position. The choice will be yours to either work as we will basically assess you if you're capable for a junior position or a mid-level position, so like a cloud engineer or a DevOps engineer. So we will also prepare you for the job interview prep and techniques before you even go for the guaranteed interview. So let me move on to the next slide. So what will be the benefits of joining Tech with Engineers and Cloud Whistler and doing the internship? So the benefits you will get is number 1, the big key area is the learning and development will be paid for you guys. So you will be able to, acquire exam vouchers for AWS, Terraform, Kubernetes, and some other tech areas. Your team lead will discuss with you on that. And you can always request them. Once you are doing really good in the internship, you can always request your team lead, hey, I'm quite interested in, doing this certification. And is it possible to do this? So you can, land a request for these types of areas because, this is the culture what Tech with Engineer and Cloud Whistler community is bringing is, so, continuous development and helping the community. So continuous training and paid professional development to keep you on the cutting edge technologies. You will be given a company email with your own end-to-end encrypted portal for secure communication. We might set up Office 365 so we can use Teams, but I think we will be using Slack. I'm not sure because the decision makers will be sharing that details with me. You will also be sent out goodie bags. So you need to get excited for that because I am really excited for this. So you will be giving out t-shirts, backpacks, mouse pads. The funny thing is they will even make a custom 3D avatar of you to use on the company website. So they will use like they will make a cartoon character out of your picture. So I found that a bit funny, but I really like the idea. It's so epic. So stickers and more. So obviously, the key is stay engaged, grow your cloud career, and be part of a supportive team that wants you to succeed. As you can, already imagine what the culture will be like. So because, it's all about helping and empowering each other to become successful. Because if your team lead is not helping you achieve your goals, then you should really leave that community. Anyways, this internship is packed with everything you need in order to succeed and feel appreciated. So, requirements. I know a lot of people here have questions. What are the requirements, Ali? Am I eligible for that? So let's touch on that area. So yes, you will be going through verification. So you will have, once you apply and you have been, considered, you will be going through the verification stage. So country ID verification to confirm your identity. Agreement, you will be sent an agreement and consent form for company policies and guidelines. You will be given an option to either do internship full-time or part-time, but we always recommend do it full-time. So, then all the team members are on the same page. Minimum qualification. So you don't need to be a PhD. You don't need to be a scientist. The minimum qualification is that you need at least a high school. You have at least finished high school and you are computer literate. You can work on a computer. You have your own laptop. You have your own internet and you can communicate. You can speak and you're willing to learn. And if your English is weak, that's not a problem because that improves by communicating more. So what we will do, people who are weak English, we will put you with the right team. So you can communicate and help each other improve that language. And the key area is you need willingness to learn and adapt to new challenges. So there will be a lot of coaching and there will be a lot of conditioning sessions as well. So you will definitely take benefit from that side as well. You need good communication skills for effective collaboration because working in the cloud and DevOps environment is all about communication. You need a reliable internet connection and you need your own device, and we always recommend to have two screens. You don't have two screens as you can save some money and get another screen later on. You need a commitment to learning in a quiet environment. So for example, if there is a meeting, we would appreciate if you're in a quiet environment and not disturbing the other colleagues. You need to be in a good health. You need to be fit to learn and participate effectively. Yeah, so that's it from me. So what I will do is I will share my LinkedIn profile with you all. You can send me a connection request. And if you all also want to, share your LinkedIn on the chat, so we all can connect with each other. That's my LinkedIn. By the way, you guys can unmute now and we can have a discussion now. So what do you guys think of it so far?
I think it's amazing. Wow. That's all I have to say. I have a couple of questions. So is it a combination, the training, is it a combination of live classes and recorded because of the time zones? How does that work?
So if you're in the US, you will be put with the US team.
Okay.
And most sessions won't be recorded because it's like, working in a company. The company doesn't really record sessions unless the majority request for it. But that is a good point, Yvonne. I can definitely ask them to, record every session because people are coming from all types of backgrounds. So yeah, the good question from that.
And then another question is, what's the time commitment per week? Per day, per week?
That's something I'm not 100% off currently.
Okay.
But that will be shared once I have more information.
Sure. Okay.
So a question, sorry, Ali. So if you're working, you can do part-time, I guess?
Yes, so you will be given an option to either work full-time or part-time.
Okay, just because I'm working, I just so work around your current job, I guess.
Okay, so you are currently working in IT?
Yeah. Well, not in IT at the moment, but different job at the moment. So
Yeah, definitely. That's what the culture is about after, Tech with Engineers and Cloud Whistler community.
Yeah.
So we do want to, be able to accommodate for people who are like I myself is working, a job, and then I do a bit freelancing as well. So I do appreciate when someone, helps me accommodate timings because it helps.
What about I was gonna say this Tech with Engineers, have they got a website at all?
They have LinkedIn. They have a LinkedIn page.
LinkedIn. Okay.
Their website is actually under construction at the
Okay.
moment.
Yeah. All right.
Anyone else, any other questions?
Harry, is there any interview for this current internship?
Yes, so just how you apply for a job, you will have to apply for it. I will share the link and everything once the onboarding team and the HR team shares the information with me. So I will share, everything with you guys on how to apply, etc.
Okay, thank you.
But there won't be like three crazy interview stages. So once we consider your application, you will only do one interview.
So, hello. I have a question as well. My first question is, when is the possibility of start applying for the internship?
So I don't have a accurate date for it at the moment. But you can expect me to share all the details within 2 weeks.
Right. And my next question is going to be of, as there are a lot of candidates, so how many candidates are going to be hired for this internship?
That's a good question. I don't have a set number, but I think they will be hiring quite a few people.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello, I hope you're doing well, Ali, and thank you for hosting this meeting. I had a basic question that how do I make myself stand out as a candidate for this position? As I would really like to work with you, and obviously, it's a great opportunity for all of us. It's a great learning experience that we might be able to achieve. So please do guide us on that.
Okay, great question. Just make sure that you tailor your CV according to the internship, and you just need good communication skills and be able to, answer the questions. And if you don't know something, you can always say that you can just be honest and say you haven't worked on this area, but if you are given the opportunity, you're willing to learn. And you should be able to back this statement by talking about maybe a certification or something you've accomplished in the past.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Okay, any other questions?
This won't be a paid internship, right? We won't have to pay anything to be able to work, correct?
I don't have the complete information at the moment, but in 2 weeks, they will share the complete details with me.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Ali, I have one question, please.
Yeah, sure.
Currently, I'm working in the FMCG large group in Pakistan, and we are working on the infrastructure side and also on the cloud side and storage side.
Okay.
So how like moving toward the DevOps sides?
Definitely will be a good opportunity for you because they will be going from the basic stuff to advanced stuff. So you will be
Yeah.
actually doing some hands-on work on the DevOps side as well.
Okay. Thank you, Ali.
You're
Sorry,
welcome.
Ali, can I just maybe it was asked earlier, just clarify, there's going to be more than one space available, or is it just one?
There will be quite a few spaces.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
I also want to ask something from you, Ali.
Yeah, sure.
That how much we need to be technical in the field of cloud, or you can say up to what extent we should know as a prereq in the field of DevOps for that internship.
So basically, you should know how to use a computer,
Yeah.
and You should, like, you just asked a question, so you have reasonable communication skills, so that's good. I don't see you having any issues. Yeah, just willingness to learn, and because it's an entry level internship, so you should be fine.
And during the internship, we will be working just on one cloud, I mean in AWS, or we will
Yes,
also
yes, the
look.
entire focus will be on AWS. So what I've been made aware is that it will be purely AWS and other DevOps skills. But in 2025, they will be opening internship for the Microsoft side as well.
Yes, thanks.
Okay, I can see a question in the chat. Can I join the internship program? I do not have IT background, don't have coding skills, but I have hands-on experience about AWS. Yeah, definitely. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Yeah, definitely you can apply for the internship. Another question Augustine is asking, is this different from our giveaway challenge? Yes, it is different, Augustine. Giveaway challenge is like a normal giveaway, but this is actually a proper job.
Hello, Ali. I'm Anu here, Anuradha.
Oh, hi, Anu. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So there'll just be an interview, no assessment, because most jobs have an assessment before they, take the interview.
No, so once you apply, you give your application. Once your application has been considered, you will just go through one interview stage. And if you pass that stage, then the onboarding team will get in touch with you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
And is there any fee?
Sorry?
Is there any fee to participate for the assessment or anything?
I don't have information on that, but in 2 weeks, I will have the complete details about everything.
Okay.
Another question, Ali. Sorry, Ali. So you say it's going to be a job. So how much do you know how much you would be earning, or?
So it is an internship. So like I
Yeah.
said, I don't have the complete information at the
Yeah.
moment, as the decision makers are, making the documentation and
Okay.
having
Right.
back-to-back meetings. So once they have more information,
Okay.
I will be able to share it with you all.
All
Oh, I do have a question.
Hey, Andy.
Hi, Ali. Good evening, everyone. So my question goes, is it strictly just for entry level, like you have no idea about AWS, or probably you've had some experience with AWS and you can still apply?
Yes, definitely. It is for both. So because you will also be doing a lot of advanced projects. So it is for both, but you will start from the entry level stuff and then you will be moved on to the advanced stuff as you progress.
All right, thank you.
Ali, my background is application support, and I have some basic knowledge AWS and Docker. So
Okay.
what we need to do?
Okay, that's a good stage. I mean, you have the right skills, so definitely you will be a good candidate for this process.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Hello, Ali. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear
Yes.
you.
This is Gabriela from Barcelona. Hello, everyone.
Hi there.
I wanted to ask also about the timeline, like in which time zone would be we working and how many hours per week? Is it like the full time and part time?
So there will be an option for you to select full-time or part-time, and it will be on Eastern time zones, but the team will be split up into teams of 10. So it depends on your location, etc. So we want to make sure, for example, people with the same location should be in the same team. And we will try to mix and match as well, just for, communication skills as well.
Great. Thank you, Ali.
Thank you.
Ali, a quick question, please. Can we start, let's say, from the second or third month, skipping the first or second or third month? Like, if somebody don't want to do the first or second month, can he or she be able to start from the third or the fourth month like this, or we have to start from the scratch from the beginning?
No, so you have to start from day one.
Okay.
But to better answer that, so once the internship process launches and the feedback has been good, the progress has been good, the results has been good, they will consider opening another internship round for next year in 2025.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ali.
Yeah, I think there's been some good questions. If you can type in chat, or here is my LinkedIn profile. Let me just share it with you. I will also share the LinkedIn community invitation link with you all. So if you guys want to send me a private DM or you don't want to talk in public, you can always reach out to me there as well. I'm just sharing the link with you now. I've just shared the WhatsApp community invitation link. If you can click on it and join, and then you can ask any questions there as well. I will also share my LinkedIn. Bear with me a second. So that's my LinkedIn link, and I've also shared the WhatsApp community invitation link with you all. Fantastic stuff, guys. I'm gonna stop the recording, and once I have more information within 2 weeks, I will share it with you all. So yeah, stay connected. Anyone has any questions, please do drop in the community chat group. And the website is also under construction, so we will be sharing that with you soon as well.
Looking forward to working with you, Ali. Thank you so much for your time.
Likewise, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for taking
Thank
time
you.
out.
Thank you, Ali.
Thank you. Have a good evening, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.